Morning, it's time for our workout. So remember, we're doing 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 15 exercises. Then we've got a minute's rest and then we go again. So just 2 rounds. And yeah, if you need to obviously stop during the 50 seconds, that's fine. Just do as much as you can. Okay, so our first exercise is mountain climbers. So hands to the floor, tucking our knees up. So if we're ready, let's do it, shall we? Okay, we've got 10 seconds till it will start. So just get yourself ready. We got this. Ready? Let's go. So hands on the floor, tuck your knees up nice and high. Try not to stop for the whole 50 seconds, 50 seconds. And then 10 seconds to get into our curtsy leg lifts. So if you've got a band, pop it on. If you don't, just do it without and take your leg higher. So we're curtsying behind and our leg goes out to the side. So we're going to do 25 seconds each side on this one. So curtsy, kick it out to the side. And then to the other side, curtsy, kick it out. Think about squeezing your bum. And then we've got 10 seconds to get ready to our knee to squat jumps. We're going to swap leg each time. So we're going up to our knees, we're jumping and we're coming back. Ready? Power through. And then we've got 10 seconds and then we're doing 1 arm, 1 leg plank tucks. So we're going to do 25 seconds each side. So into your high plank, 1 leg and 1 arm, we're going to tuck into the middle. Try and keep them off the floor if you can, but if you need to tap it down, that's fine. And then the other side. And then we've got dead bugs. So you're going to lie on your back. Our arms and legs are opening and then they're coming up. So our knees are here and then we're opening up. your lower back to the floor, remember? And then 10 seconds breathing, and then we've got jumping jacks. You can put your band on full to make it a little bit harder. Ready? Let's go. Keep it moving. Alright, 10 seconds, and then we're going into glute bridges for abduction. So up to the top of your glute bridge, pull your knees in and out. If you don't have a band, you can just do the up and down glute bridge. Ready? Weight in our heels, remember to tilt your hips up to the top, knees apart. Ready, squeeze your bum. Alright, and then next we have got pull squats. So just into a squat. If you've got a band, keep it on. If not, just do it normally. Remember to pull your knees apart. Let's go. So to 90 and then 3/4 of the way up. Halfway there. More seconds. 10 more seconds. And then we've got our bear crawls. So 10 seconds to get ready. So remember, you can do them forwards and backwards. So just go as far as you can and then bring it back. Let's go. Slowly, so we're going to crunch up, we're going to hold it at the top for like 3, and then we're going to lower down slow. You can crunch up quickly, but remember to hold and come down slowly, so crunch. 10 seconds. And then we've got burpees, everyone's favourite. Alright, so let's go. Hands to the floor, jump your legs out, all the way down to the floor. With arm reaches. So we're going to do our kick back on our knees, and at the same time we're going to reach out with the other hand, join them in the middle, 25 seconds each side. And then other side. Alright, and the next we've got squat side step. So just squat it down and we're just stepping side to side. So squat, step side to side. Keep it going, we're over halfway, stay as low as you can. Alright, we've got 10 seconds, and then we're going to do reverse plank knee to chest. So, fingers facing you, push our hips up, so we're in our reverse plank, and then we're just swapping legs, bringing our knees to chest. Ten more seconds. Keep your hips up as high as you can. Alright, and then we've got 10 seconds, and then we've got sit-ups to standing. Another crowd favourite. So all the way up, remember if you can't stand up, just do normal sit-ups. So sit all the way up and stand up. And then through it one more time. So just take your time, have a little rest, and then back to our mountain climbers to start off with. So just take your time, have a breathe. I don't know what's hardest. Maybe the side steps are actually hard with this band. Let me know what you think's hardest. Breathe. We got this, we're halfway there. Easy, we just do that again, one more time. All right, 10 seconds, get ready for your mountain climbers. Ready, let's go. Knees nice and high. All right, and then into our curtsy. Ready? Let's go. Curtsy behind, kick it out. And the other side. Curtsy behind, kick it out. And then you got 10 seconds and then we're doing our knees to squat jumps. All right, let's go. Up to the top, jump it up, down. Keep it going. 10 more seconds. I take it back actually, these are probably the hardest ones. Alright, we've got 10 seconds. And then we've got our one arm, one leg plank tuck. Ready? Let's go, tuck it in the middle. And then swap to the other side, crunch it in the middle. And then we've got dead bugs. So landing on your back. Ready? So open it out and bring it up. going into jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go. Alright, and then we've got 10 seconds. And then we are going into glute bridges with abduction. So remember, up to the top, pull your knees apart. If you don't have a band, just go up and down. Up and squeeze. Alright, and then we've got 10 seconds and then we are into our pull squats. So remember, keep your knees apart, keep your weight in your heels. Let's go. Halfway there. 20 more seconds. Ah. 5 more seconds. And then band off, and then next we've got our bear crawls. So remember, you can go forward and back, just use the space you've got. Ready, let's go. We have got slow crunches. So remember, hold it for 3 at the top. Slowly lower down. Are we ready? Let's go, crunch up. Slowly down. you ready? Let's go. Make sure you jump at the top. Alright, and then we've got donkey kicks back with arm reaches. Ready, 25 seconds each side. Really squeeze your bum at the back. And the other side. Seconds rest and then into our side steps. So squat down as low as you can, especially if you don't have a band, and step out as wide as you can. Ready? Let's go. Alright, and then we've got reverse planks, knees to chest. We've only got 2 exercises left. Nearly there. Ready, so really push your hips as high as you can. Knee up to your chest. More seconds. Alright, and then we've just got sit-ups to standing, last exercise. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sit all the way up, standing and back down. More seconds. All right, and we're all done. Pop your legs out in front, reach forward over your toes. Bottoms of your feet together. Push your elbows onto your knees. Bring one leg over the top, look the other way. And the other side. And then onto your front. We're just gonna put our knees out to the side and just push our hips down, hold that there. Remember not to have a curve in the lower back, so keep the pelvis neutral. Okay, and then legs together, push up, push your hips down into the floor. Tuck your hips up. And then sit back onto your heels. Pull one out across. And the other side. Up and over. And the other side. And we're all done.